It's the Disneyland 70th. I can't believe it's already here.
And we're here, and we're planDisney panelists, and we're so excited to discover the 70th anniversary.
Well, let's go. Let's go. Okay.
Okay.
I'll go this way. Oh, you're going. Okay. I'll go that way. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Q.
And I'm Melissa, and we're about to go into Disneyland Park.
And we're definitely excited to explore and see everything there is, but we have to get in first.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, they have the new entry gates. So it looks like you scan your ticket, I take the picture, and then the gate opens.
Awesome. Okay, so I can scan my ticket. Oh, and there's a magic band if I wanted to tap here. Okay. Okay, and then the gate opens. Perfect. Oh, this is great. This is so easy.
You need your park reservation and your ticket.
Yes.
And then if you've got a big family, you want to scan your little ones first because the gate closes between them.
Yep, check.
And then what else?
And then you just need to take your photo when you walk up there and make sure that you give it a second for the gate to close and you're ready to have a great Disney day.
I know, absolutely. So what should we do first?
Oh, I know. The key.
Yes.
We need to go get that key.
Yes, we do. I'm so excited. I can't wait to unlock all the magic. I think that we are supposed to hit 9 different lands.
Yes.
And then at the end, it like unlocks for a secret surprise. I think what I love though, you don't have to finish it all in a day.
I know, you can start it today and either finish it today or come back and do it again later. It's something that will last the entire summer long, the entire 70th anniversary, and I'm so excited for it. You know, why don't we go over to the firehouse and let's get started?
Yeah, let's do it.
So supposedly we can use this key in a lock. There's the lock. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it in and... Whoa, that is so fun.
My goodness, I love this.
Oh,
This is
for
so cool.
sure, for sure. Let's go do the other 8, okay?
Yes, let's do it.
This was so much fun.
I know, I loved seeing each different light when we unlocked it at each land.
Each sound, it was tied to all of the lights.
I know.
We almost forgot the best part, the secret prize.
Oh my gosh. Which one did we get?
Ooh, let's see.
Oh, we got the castle.
Wow, okay.
I love
That is
it.
awesome. And supposedly there's a different pen for each land, so we definitely want to do
them all.
Exactly,
Oh my
exactly.
gosh.
That was so much fun, but we really should check in on all the other panelists.
Absolutely, let's pass it to
Okay,
them.
let's pass the magic.
It looks like our friends are done with their mission.
Yeah, had a great time, I hope. At the front of the park, I grabbed this family adventure map. They've got this really cool, friendly map for the kiddos.
gosh.
There's friendly icons there for them. It gives you a little guideline on what the attractions have going on in them.
I had to do a ton of research. We didn't introduce ourselves. I got too excited. I'm Michaela.
I'm Melinda.
And we're here to talk about the map, obviously. We've been talking about it.
I really like here that there's a list of some resources here at Disneyland. So like the baby care center where you can go for nursing, changing tables, and a little potty
You know
chair.
what? We're really close to the baby care center. Should we head over there?
Yeah. Here we are, baby care center.
Something else that's really great about the baby care center is that lost children, which really
Just say lost parents,
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's next?
What would be a good ride that everybody can go on?
Yeah.
Nope, not scary, not wet. So what about Mad Tea Party?
I love
Are
it.
you okay with spins?
I'm
That is
okay
one of the
with
things.
spins. Yeah.
Okay.
It's one of the things on here, so let's head out.
Okay. Woo!
This is a really great way to have your kids take the lead, for sure.
That's so great that you just said that because I can totally see, especially my oldest, he usually is the one with the map. He's usually the one who's telling us where to go.
And then maybe help some take the lead on like, what do they want to do next? Is there something on the map that you see that you want to do?
Which is so key with little ones, giving them an option
Yeah.
so they feel like
They're part of the experience.
this is their trip too.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it is.
What?
It is, huh? It is it's their trip too. Okay, it is. It's my trip. They're just along for the ride.
Yeah.
What's really cool about this map is like you can use this as a distraction if it's taking a while in line. It's like the kids can look at the next thing, they can find a hidden friend.
All right, is there a hidden friend here?
All right, so here's a hidden friend. Oh, maybe we can find the Chester Cat, right? That's
bet.
pretty appropriate.
I feel like he'd be in this area. Let's see.
Chester Cat, where are you?
We need some helpers. I need my kids here.
Wow. Is there an age limit on this thing? You see him? Oh, I see him now too. You're right. There he is.
That's so funny because
You pointed
if only I looked where I was pointing.
It gives you a list of kid foods that are available at different restaurants across the park. Yeah. So if you know your kid is into mac and cheese, which mine is,
So is mine.
it reminds us that we can do mobile order on our phone. And that's like key to saving time when you're here with little ones, right? Like you're on a ride, I'm gonna mobile order some food ahead of time. By the time we get off, it's ready, we pick it up, no time is lost.
What color, Melinda? Oh, we're going pink. I thought for sure you were gonna go purple.
You know, I gotta keep you guessing. Okay. I didn't stretch before this. That's another thing the map talks about is rider split. You can have one adult go on with your kiddo, and then if you want to experience that, right, have that one-on-one time, you swap with the other parent.
You are so brilliant.
No, what?
You're brilliant.
You unlocked that in me.
Yes, Kittens. What are we gonna do next?
Thought bubble.
Thought Bubble. There's a brand new show over at California Adventure.
That's true. Yes, we
That
should
would
head
be
over
so
there.
fun.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay,
go.
Let's go.
This way. We've had a big day exploring all around with the park map, but it has led us here for this big moment. We're so excited about Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Live.
Yes, exactly.
Coming.
Yes, and all the little ones will have a great time, like dancing.
We haven't seen it yet.
No.
Brand new.
Yes.
Oh, and we're here. That is one of my favorite things about these shows, is that you get to see so many characters.
Yes.
All
That's
at
so
once.
true.
Such a great place to take a break.
After a long day in the park, you know, my dogs are wolfing. I need to go see Pluto. I need to see the real dog that we came for, which is Pluto. Okay.
My dogs are wolfing.
Yes, yes.
Wolfing?
So, yes, they are.
Wolfing.
Wolfing.
Okay, wolfing.
We're ready to come inside, get some cool air. Come inside.
It's fun inside.
Yes, yes.
It's fun inside.
Come inside.
It's fun inside.
M-I-C-K-E-Y.
M-O-U-S-E.
Nailed it.
And we're going in. I hope I hear hot dog at least a dozen times.
M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E.
My boys love wolfing.
This is the dog I came to see. Why relax my dog? Oh, got in my eye. Do not look directly into the snow. Dog.
Dance!
Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, here's the striker's shoes. Hot dog, no problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
That was so fun.
Yeah, that was
Melinda.
great. Yeah, it was fantastic. There was a little bit of everything for everybody. It was a mini musical.
Before we went in there, Melinda, I was thinking that it was so great to have another offering for the little ones.
Exactly.
And that's still true, but after seeing that, I was like, this is really for the whole family. I had so much fun.
I cannot wait to see what else is in store.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you think we should pass this along?
All right, I think we should.
Okay, it's been fun,
It's been fun.
but I think it's time for Lisa and Kiki to take it
over.
from here.
Oh, I guess it's us. It's our turn. It's our time to shine.
My name is Kiki,
And I'm Lisa.
and we're here at the viewing area for World of Color Happiness. We're getting ready to watch the
I'm
show.
so excited. I hear the Muppets are introducing the show.
I can't wait for Miss Piggy.
What I'm really excited about is that earlier today you could vote for your favorite character. So in the app, you could choose from sadness, disgust, anger, and envy. And so I can't wait to see who gets chosen and featured in tonight's show.
Who did you pick?
I love disgust. I think she's so funny. How about you?
Oh my gosh, sadness.
You can vote in the app up until 30 minutes before showtime and then wait until the show and find out who got chosen.
I think the show's starting soon.
Okay, we should probably go get a really good spot.
Okay, sounds great.
Yeah. Hey. Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Incredible.
That is incredible.
Okay, you're good with here.
Oh my God, that was amazing.
So good. Never fails. It makes me cry every time.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
I don't know if I can just pick one part, but I did really love the Muppets pre-show. That was super fun.
That was really funny.
Yes.
And I love the part where the fire and all the
anger?
burst of fire.
Yes.
I mean, it was just amazing.
Yeah, that was a fun surprise for sure.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Kiki, what an amazing day.
It was amazing, right?
Yes,
it was
so
so
much
wonderful. But it's getting late, so let's call our friends.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. Come on, friends. Hey, how was your guys' day?
Such a
great day.
My favorite part. Oh my gosh. I got a lot of
the
merchandise.
popcorn bucket.
Oh my God.
All of the parades and whatever were so
Yes.
good.
All the
It was such a great
merchandise.
day.
So amazing.
And as you can tell, we have a lot of tips to share. So if you'd like help planning your Disney vacation, reach out to us at planDisney.
Celebrate happy!